What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to blur moving objects such as faces in Adobe Premiere Pro. Welcome back to TechMan. Let's begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import the footage containing the moving object you want to blur. Drag the footage onto the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel. On the search box over here, search for Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the video layer. Now go to the In the Effect Controls panel. Find the Gaussian Blur effect. So over here, we have three options on creating a mask. You can use the circle, rectangle, or the pen tool, which means you have to outline your subject or the part you want to blur. In our case, let's use the ellipse tool or the circle one, since we just need to blur the head of our subject. So click on that, then simply drag it to the head. Adjust the size depending on the size you want. Once done, make sure your timeline side is at the beginning of your video. Go back to the Effect Control panel and click this wrench tool and make sure to select Preview. Then click the play button over here to track the mask while our subject is moving. Premiere Pro will automatically track your mask, so let's wait on this one. After that, we can now increase the blurriness over here. You have now successfully learned how to blur moving objects in Premiere Pro. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.